During the NDA workshop, PM Modi was felicitated by NDA leaders for the GST reforms. Earlier, he had hailed the reforms and said GST 2.0 is a double dose of support and growth for the country. In an apparent show of strength ahead of the vice presidential elections, the Bharatiya Janata Party BJP has organized a two-day workshop for all the MPs of the National Democratic Alliance NDA in New Delhi. The workshop, which began on Sunday, was also attended by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. A photo from the workshop, which has two key themes towards a developed India by 2027 and the effective use of social media by MPs, is also going viral on social media, in which PM Modi could be seen sitting in the last row, along with other leaders. BJP leader Sambit Patra shared the photo on X, previously Twitter, lauding the Prime Minister. BJP MP Ravi Kishan also shared the photo on X and lauded PM Modi for his move. Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji sitting in the last row at the workshop of NDA MPs is the strength of the BJP. Here, everyone is a Karyakarta worker in the organization, he said on X in Hindi. During the workshop, PM Modi was felicitated by NDA leaders for the GST reforms. Dubbed as a Diwali Boza, the GST Council, chaired by Union Vice Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, approved the reforms last week, which will be rolled out on September 22nd. PM Modi hailed the reforms and said GST 2.0 is a double dose of support and growth for the country. Without timely changes, we cannot give our country its rightful place in today's global situation. I had said from the Red Fort on August 15 this time that it is crucial to undertake next-generation reforms to make India self-reliant, he said on Thursday. Meanwhile, the voting for the vice presidential polls will be held on September 9. The polling would begin at 10 a.m. and continue till 5 p.m., and the result would be announced on the same day. While the NDA has announced CP Radhakrishnan as its candidate, the India bloc has fielded B. Sudarshan Reddy. A candidate would require 392 votes to win. The NDA has 293 MPs in the Lok Sabha and 130 in the Rajya Sabha. Thus, Radhakrishnan is likely to win the 2025 vice presidential